National President of the National People's Party and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday stressed the need to introspect into the poor performance of the NPP in the recently concluded Lok Sabha polls in the state. Accepting the defeat, Sangma defended the poor performance of the NPP in both seats, saying every election is different and that all elections are contested on different issues. The 46-year-old legacy of the Purno Sangma family in Tura constituency was shattered after Congress's Saling Sangma defeated Agatha Sangma of the NPP by 1.5 lakh votes.
Every election is different. The issues are different in every election, and the way people vote in every election differs. There are many factors that work in election. So therefore, we cannot compare one election with another election. But having said that, obviously any election and any defeat in any election calls for any political party to introspect, for individuals to introspect. Yes, I would like to thank the people of Garo Hills that for the last 46 years, they have put faith and trust in the leadership of the party at different levels. And we have done our best to serve the people.
Chief